Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the phone ready and opening the camera app so scanning is immediate. Make sure your Realme C11 is charged and has internet if the QR links require it. Once done, unlock and launch camera, then switch to the rear lens. The rear camera reads QR codes more reliably. Hold the phone steady roughly 10-20 centimeters from the code and frame it so the code fills the center of the viewfinder. This helps the camera focus and detect the pattern quickly. You now let the camera detect and present the result, and then you act. Once the viewfinder recognizes the QR pattern, a small banner or notification appears at the top or bottom. That is the system handing you the decoded content. Tap that banner to open the link, add contact info, or join Wi-Fi. If the camera does not show a prompt, make sure to switch camera modes to Google Lens or use a dedicated QR app. This gives a second detection method and often shows a clearer preview. You finish by confirming the action and troubleshooting if needed. After tapping the notification, choose to open the website, save the contact, or accept the Wi-Fi connection. This completes the QR workflow. If the camera fails to read codes, make sure the lens is clean, add more light, and adjust distance or angle. Small changes matter. If problems persist, restart the camera app or install a reputable QR scanner app. Doing this often resolves software detection issues and gets you scanning again quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.